Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a plastic bags with handles bulk. Okay, so to buy this on TEMU for extremely cheap, so you can just come to TEMU. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that within delivers the product to directly to the customer and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will just write TEMU and here I will directly search for the product. Okay, so here we can see, so I will go with these ones. So this product will cost you on Amazon about $45.99, but here you are just paying $3.99, hence you are saving a 91%. So here we can see it to like something look like this. Okay, so if you want to buy this, you have to click on add to cart button. Okay, and if you like we can see the detail also, so it's like for a bottle it's okay, and you can use with a small product. So to buy this you will just click on add to cart, then click on buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a plastic bag with handle buckets. So if you like, I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.